Our SkyVac Industrial 85 is now supercharged with a more powerful motor than ever before. The system has undergone years of development. It has been uniquely engineered for fast and effective gutter clearance. The machine is packed with power, hosting a 3,300 watt motor which can deliver a 145-inch water lift and 12,000 litres per minute airflow. The sturdy, all-terrain, four-wheel trolley is ideal for easy transportation, and the lockable castors allow the user to leave the Industrial 85 stationed even on steep inclines. The machine also has a power mix feature which allows you to customize your suction depending on the project. Included as standard is your industrial machine, a wire reinforced hose, a range of end tools and hairpin neck, hose bag, 2 van stickers and a user manual.